My last video, I spoke about how to purchase a domain name. Okay, so if you've not watched that video, click the link in the description to watch. Today's video, we'll be talking about how to actually link this domain to your hosting and go ahead to install WordPress. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your namecheap.com and make sure you're logged in. Okay, so if you check here, you can see the domain we bought from our last video, princeemeaba.site. Okay, so first thing you want to do is to hit manage. So when you do this, what you're going to do is you're going to map this domain to a hosting. So if you purchased your hosting on Namecheap, this is easy. But if you didn't purchase your hosting on Namecheap, there will be a separate video to show you how to go about that. So all you need to do is to come down here. Okay, here you can see we have Namecheap basic DNS. Just change this to Namecheap, web hosting DNS. Okay, so what this is going to do for you is when we go ahead to add the domain name to our cPanel, it's going to be easy and it's going to map it without stress. All right, now once you're done with that, the next thing you want to do is to click on hosting list. Okay, so when you come here, you would see your hosting plan, provided you purchased your hosting on Namecheap already. You can easily see that here. Okay, just click the link in the description and you can go ahead to purchase a hosting plan for yourself. It's quite easy. They have like really affordable hosting plans. All right, now the next thing you want to do once you come here is click on go to cPanel. Okay, your cPanel is going to open up. This is where everything would be done, the installation, the mapping, and all of that. We will do that right on your cPanel. So the moment you do that, the first thing you want to do is to head over to where you see domains. Okay, so when you come on that domains here, you click on it. All right, once you do that, you would see here, you see create new domain. Click on create new domain. Okay, and then here you're going to type your domain. So for me, it's princeemeaba.site. Okay, all right, so once you're done with that, you click on submit. Okay, this section where you see scripts called WordPress, so you click on WordPress. But hold on, before you go ahead to install WordPress, personally I usually love creating a custom email so that I can map that custom email for the installation. Okay, so let's go and create a custom email. All right, so come over here, you see email account, click on email account, and once that opens up, click on create. Okay, and then you choose the domain. All right, then I can use something like hello. Okay, so it's going to be hello@princeemeaba.site, and then click on create. All right, so the email has been created. Then you can now go on to install it. So you come over to your cPanel. All right, see where you have WordPress, click on WordPress. Okay, the moment you do that, this screen opens up here, and then the next thing you do is to click on install now. Here you select the domain, come here and call it my website, and then here you can call it princeemeaba website, stuff like that. You can decide anything you want to use. Then under here where you have admin, you can set your admin name to whatever you want, but I prefer to use the name of the site, so I could just use princeemeaba. Okay, then admin username, I could use this. Then here, this is where you now enter the email you created earlier. Okay, hello at this. All right, so copy out your username, keep it somewhere, and then your admin password also keep it somewhere because you'll be needing it. Okay, then the next thing you do here, you can select some plugins. I usually love to remove all of this and just leave plugin limits. I mean, you can also select classic editor, it's not compulsory. Then the next thing is you hit on install. Okay, in a few seconds it's going to install WordPress on your website, and it's that simple. Awesome, you can see that it has fully installed. Okay, so what you need to do now, this is your admin URL, princeemeaba.site/wp-admin. Okay, so this is the login page. It's going to show up now, and this is where you get to log in. All right, so here you enter the username and then the password you chose earlier. All right, and you click on login. Okay, see, it's that simple. Welcome to WordPress. So go right now and map your domain and hosting, install WordPress. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install themes. If you've not bought your domain name yet and you would like to learn how to buy your domain name, click the link below and you can easily buy your domain name. Then come back and watch this video on how to install your WordPress. You see, it took us literally less than 2 minutes to do it. I mean, it could be longer because this is a video I'm showing you step by step, but it's that easy to do. I'll see you on the next one.